6049. This one's going to be 200 cars long. We'll find out. There's a 200 car train that can go over way after the golf course and block both Dash Street and Main Street crossings when cars up to the Ventura area. So we'll have to see. Well, slowing down. Slowing down fast. Slowing down fast, very fast. I think it's parking to wait for that 4-engine train to go by. The 4-engine train I saw at Grand Crossing earlier. At the vault. Oh, that's nice, a green box car. I don't see those really often on a BNSF train. Probably is one. I don't know if it has 200 cars, but it might have like, less than 150 cars. Well, may have, I don't know. Yeah. But betcha some of my friends told me that some manifest trains can be up to 200 cars and over. Or maybe over. And this one might be just like, I don't know how many, I don't know if that one's gonna be a train over. Oh, it's speeding up now. Maybe it's making way for me to get the second train, or no, the first train, or wait, was it the four train, no, the 4-engine manifest train that was south, that was heading east, or heading south, well, I'll probably say east. It's moving a little faster now. Look at that, an Amtrak boxcar. W1. Look at these three That was not even near. That was not even close to a 200 car manifest train, but it is a good manifest train. But it is definitely under 200 cars.